This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the fastest Hostinger plan that matches traffic expectations and budget. Choose shared for low cost, cloud for more speed. Next, register or transfer your domain now, because DNS propagation can take time. Once the domain is set, enable SSL and create a business email to build trust. These are required before checkout and payments work. Make sure auto-renew and Whois privacy are enabled to avoid downtime and exposure. Then move straight to installing your store platform. Now you build the engine. Install WooCommerce or a compatible e-commerce app using Hostinger's auto-installer to save time, or do a manual setup if you need custom hooks. Once installed, pick a responsive theme and optimize product images to 100-200 KB for speed. Create core pages, home, product, checkout, policy pages, and set permalinks. Then configure payments like Stripe or PayPal, define shipping zones, tax rules, and inventory alerts so your store operates reliably when traffic arrives. Finish by running multiple test orders in sandbox mode and confirm order emails, receipts, and webhook responses. This verifies checkout and fulfillment flows. Once done, enable caching and Hostinger CDN, check mobile load times, and reduce plugins if pages are slow. Make daily backups for orders and weekly full-site backups, and test restores. If something breaks, clear cache, switch to a default theme to isolate the issue, and re-enable plugins one at a time to find the culprit. This is your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.